Assalamu alaikum friends, welcome to my channel MBBS and BDS lectures. Today our topic is related to histology, identification points of duodenum for histology, practical and slide. There are three identification points of duodenum. Number one, leaf-shaped villi with microvilli. Number two, Brunner glands are present in submucosa. And number three, less number of goblet cells. These are the three identification points of duodenum. Number one, leaf shape villi with microvilli. Number two, Brunner glands are present. Number three, less number of goblet cells. I already upload the detailed slide explanation video of duodenum on my YouTube channel. Go and watch that video. Now I will upload these identification points also. On my YouTube channel you can find general histology, special histology, detailed slide identification videos and each slide identification points per practical and slide. If you like my videos, press the like button and share these videos with your friends. If you're new to my channel, subscribe my channel by pressing the red subscribe button and also press the bell icon to open the all notification in order to you receive my each new video notification. For watching my videos, I am very thankful to you. Thank you very much.